Line word line is a puzzle where you're given a series of 3 numbers. The first number is the line that you're looking at. The second number is the word in that line, in that particular position. And then the third number is the letter of that word from the second number. So it's all related, and your goal is to find out what exactly are those letters and then unscramble those letters to find your final word. I know it sounds a little bit confusing right now, and that's why I have this example to go through with you so that it'll become more clear what it is that you're trying to do here. So we're going to go ahead and look at the first series of numbers, 411. We're not going to pay attention to any of these numbers yet. We're just going to focus on this one first, 411. So 4 describes what line you're looking at. So this is the fourth line. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the fourth line. 1 describes the word in the fourth line. So this is the first word in the fourth line. So here is a unique situation where it starts off with a number, 631. And in the instructions here, it says, do not count numbers as a word. So since it starts with a number, we're going to ignore that so that we're just looking here now. So the first word in line 4 is Rocky. This is the first word in line 4. And then the last number 1 refers to the letter in that word. So the first letter in Rocky, which is R. So that's going to be my first letter. And you do the same thing with the rest of these numbers here. So 1, 2, 2. 1 describes the first line, which is this. 2 describes the second word in line 1, which is victim. And then 2 right here is the second letter in victim, which is going to be I. 3, 3, 4, it's going to be line 3, 1, 2, 3. The third word in line 3, which is soon. And the fourth letter in soon, which is N. And I already know what you guys are going to say. That's not how you spell soon, but this is just for comedy purposes. It's supposed to be funny. That's why I wrote soon that way. Okay. Next, 431, line 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The third word in line 4. Again, we're not going to be paying attention to the numbers here. It's based on this part of the instructions here. So we're just going to be looking at this right now. So the third word in line 4 is avenue. And then the first letter in avenue is A. So hopefully this makes a little bit more sense now. We've still got 4 more left to go. 2, 3, 1. So line 2, the third word in line 2, which is forensic. And then the first letter in forensic, which is F. 612, line 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The first word in line 6, which is date. And then the second letter in date, which is A. Five, 1, 3, line 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The first word in line 5, which is jolly. And then the third letter in jolly, which is L. All right, one more. 5, 2, 1. So it's the same line 5, second word, lodger, and the first word in lodger, which is L. Okay, so now that I have all my letters here, I'm going to look at these answer choices and figure out what do these letters spell out to. And it looks like it spells out to rainfall. So rainfall is going to be my final answer choice, and the corresponding number to that is going to be 7. So those are the things that I'm going to be putting down on my answer sheet as I work through the escape room game itself. So that's how you play line word line. Thank you for watching my video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to my channel. And thank you, and have a great day.